Everyone has heard about ChatGPT, but recently another term has become very popular: AI agents. Companies like Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and Salesforce all are investing heavily in AI agents. But what exactly is an AI agent? Is ChatGPT itself an AI agent? Can an AI book your flight, send emails, search databases, and complete tasks automatically? In this video, we will answer all these questions. Let's begin with an important distinction. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer and then it stops. It doesn't automatically perform actions. An AI agent goes much further. It can think about what needs to be done, create a plan, use tools, and perform multiple actions before responding to you. If you ask ChatGPT this question, book me the cheapest flight to Delhi for tomorrow, it may suggest some airlines, but it won't actually book your flight. An AI agent can. It can search airline websites, compare prices, ask for confirmation, and complete the booking. And that's the difference between ChatGPT and AI agent. Imagine you are a manager. You tell an employee, prepare tomorrow's sales report. The employee doesn't immediately hand you a report. They first decide what needs to be done, collect data, open Excel, analyze numbers, create charts, prepare a presentation. Finally, they deliver the report. AI agents work in a similar way. Every AI agent has a few important building blocks. It receives a goal, then it creates a plan, it remembers context, it decides which tools to use, it performs actions, and finally it produces a result. Let's understand all these components one by one. Everything starts with a goal. The goal may come from a user or another application. The agent's job is to achieve that goal. Example: summarize today's customer complaints. Then next is planning. Unlike a chatbot, the agent doesn't immediately answer. It first creates a plan. It breaks a large task into smaller ones. This is one of the biggest differences between chatbots and agents. Example: a task for booking a flight and then sending a mail can be divided into read tickets, categorize, summarize, then email manager. Next is memory. Agents often maintain memory. They remember previous conversations, preferences, past actions. This helps them make better decisions. For example, user lives in Bangalore or the preferred language of this user is English. Next component is tools. An LLM alone cannot access your company's database. It cannot send emails. It cannot book meetings. It needs tools. Tools allow the agent to interact with the outside world. For example, browser or database or email app, calculator or calendar or any of the API. For example, user asks, schedule a meeting with Rahul tomorrow. The agent first checks your calendar, looks for Rahul's availability, finds an empty slot, creates the meeting, sends invitations, all automatically. Now here, reasoning component decides what to do next. Should I search? Should I call an API? Should I ask another question? The agent continuously makes decisions. Another example: user tells plan my vacation. Now, a vacation involves many tasks. The AI agent performs each one, then combine everything into a complete travel plan. For customer support agent, when user tells my order has not arrived, the agent checks the order database, looks at the shipping status, if necessary starts a refund and informs the customer. Now this is the internal architecture of how many AI agents work in loop. The LLM reasons, chooses a tool, executes it, observes the result, and decides the next step. Many enterprise agents use RAG. If they need company knowledge, they first search documents, then generate the final response. There are several frameworks for building AI agents. LangGraph is popular for defining complex agent workflows. LangChain provides tools for connecting LLMs with external systems. Crew AI focuses on multiple agents collaborating on tasks. Microsoft AutoGen enables conversations between AI agents, and Spring AI helps Java developers integrate AI capabilities into Spring Boot applications. A strong interview answer for question what is an AI agent is an AI agent is an AI system that can reason about a goal, create a plan, use external tools, maintain context or memory, execute actions, and work toward completing a task. Now let's summarize. ChatGPT is excellent at generating text. An AI agent goes beyond text generation. It can plan, use tools, take actions, and complete complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Now that you understand AI agents, you might wonder how these agents communicate with different tools and systems in a standardized way. In next video, we will explore the model context protocol or MCP and see why it's becoming an important standard for connecting AI models with external applications. Thank you for watching.